Hello students, I have come across an advertisement issued by the Guwahati High Court on 16 September. It is with regard to filling up of certain vacancies of LDA and copists for the district courts of Assam in the scale of pay of rupees 14,000 to 60,500 with grade pay of 6,200 and other allowances admissible as per rules. The submission of online application will start from 1st October and the last date for submission of online application is 31st October 2021. The category-wise breakup of total vacancies, you can see at the screen, it is given district-wise and it shows the number of vacancies reserved for UR, SC, ST, PWD, OBC, etc. The total number of vacancies are 237, out of which 151 are for unreserved and rest for the reserved categories. The number of posts mentioned is indicative only and may vary at the time of final selection on either side. A candidate is allowed to submit one application form only against a district of his or her choice. Candidature of a candidate will be considered for both the categories of posts, LDA and copist, of all the establishments of that particular district. When we say LDA, it means lower division assistant, and the copist also may be having the similar nature of jobs. A common written examination will be held for selection to the above mentioned posts for all the establishments of all the districts. However, final selection will be made district-wise. On completion of the selection process, the posts to be selected candidates of a particular district will be allotted as per the norms to be decided by the High Court, subject to availability of posts. In eligibility criteria, it says a candidate must be a graduate in any stream from a UGC recognized university as on the last date of submission of application. She must possess a certificate of computer knowledge of minimum 3 months duration. The candidate should have knowledge of the official language of the state of Assam, which is Assamese. The candidate must possess employment exchange registration number for the state of Assam. Age limit, the category-wise age limit as on the last date of receipt of application is as under. For unreserved, it is minimum 18, maximum 40. For OBC and MOBC, maximum 43. For SC, ST, maximum 45. For PWD, maximum 50 years. The selection process is common for LDA and copist. It has 2 stages. In stage 1, it will be common written test, as you can see the details on the screen. And stage 2 will be viva voce, or we can say interview, based on the performance in the stage 1. Further, it says in case of candidates obtaining the same grand total marks, the candidate who obtains more marks in the written test will be given preference. Where marks obtained by such candidates in the written test are also same, then the candidate who is senior in age will be given preference. In how to apply, they have given the website address and other conditions also. The application fee is, as you can see from the screen, candidates under PWD category need not to pay any fee. And the fee for SC, ST is rupees 150 and for all others it is 300 only. I am giving a link in the description of the advertisement. Please go through it. Those who are interested, they can go through and they can apply when it opens and before the last date of application. That's all. Thank you.